This is the part 4 of my wash day routine. So this is the last thing I do, deep condition. So part 4, part 5, because I'm going to be deep conditioning and conditioning my hair as well. So I always use Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. Does this Mega Growth Deep Conditioner have a relaxing effect on your hair, like a texturizer? Let me know in the comments if you have used Mega Growth Deep Conditioner and it has a texturizer on it. Let me know in the comments. So I'm going to be using this on my hair. My hair is a 4C kinky 4C hair. Okay, the shrinkage, when I lose this hair, the shrinkage is always something else. Like the hair shrinks a lot. Like when it's full, when it's stretched out, it's so long, but when it shrinks, you'll be like, are you sure this is your hair? The hair always shrinks. So I'm just going to be applying this directly. Normally, I sometimes mix this with my Avidevic oil, or I can mix this deep condition with other Avidevic spices like moringa, neem powder, clove powder, anything Avidevic that is in a powder shape like shebe powder. But for today's video, I'm just going to be directly putting this on my hair because I don't have no time. This is just like a lazy wash day routine, okay, but I try to put an effort, which is by using the aloe vera gel as my pre-poo. That is the effort I put in this particular wash day routine. Yeah, so I'm just going to be applying this deep condition on my hair, all over my hair. I love this deep condition because it makes my hair softer when I use it on my afro. Yeah, so apply it generously all over my hair, and I will move to the next thing, which is by sitting on a heat cap. This deep condition requires heat cap, but if you don't have a heat cap, other alternative is by using a hot towel and wrap it all over your hair and wait for a while. So for this heat cap, I sat on the heat cap for 1 full hours. I love my hair being very soaked with the heat cap because the deep condition penetrates very well on my hair. So for packing my hair, I'm using a satin packer, which is so good because it's not going to snap your natural hair at all. Then I'm going to be using this polythene bag and to cover everything. If you have a shower cap, you can use that as well. So I'll tie this all around, then I'll sit in the hair cap, as I said earlier on, for like 1 hour. After 1 hour, my hair is ready. What I will say is that about natural hair is that you need to be consistent with your routine. Natural hair don't just grow overnight, okay? Not all the whole ingredients you see on social media that actually helps your hair. Try testing on your own particular hair to know what works for your hair. And when you get the particular recipe that works for your hair, use it consistently and you will see results. My hair wasn't like this before. My hair was very short, but I'm glad that I was able to walk through, know what my hair wants, and try to get the best DIY treatment for my hair. I normally put Avidevic or this kind of shampoo. Here I'm using the Mega Growth detangling shampoo. Even though my hair is on mini braids, I still use the detangling shampoo. It also helps in softening my 4C hair. So have you tried Mega Growth product before? How did it work for your hair? Does it have any texturizer on it? I'm still trying to understand how my 4C hair in some people's eyes look as if it's relaxed. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this all over my hair and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll rinse it out. Then we'll move to styling. So I style this hair, these braids. I style it though. I style it. Yes, I braid it in cornrows and leave it, and I wear my wigs. But before I do that, I always put in teas, oils, and butter and Shampoo 2000. Yes, on my hair, which will be coming up in another video, and I hope you enjoyed this particular one. And yeah guys, so this is what it looks like after 15 minutes of waiting. Then I'll rinse it out and move into styling. I hope you enjoyed this video. So leave in the comments what you think about this particular routine, from pre-pooing to washing to deep conditioning to conditioning. Which step do you miss? Which step do you use? Let me know your own wash day routine. We are here to learn from each other. And don't forget to follow for more DIY wash day routine like this. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.